a warm welcome back to my channel. So I'm Anvisha and today I have a haul for you all. Today's haul is not only from one website, like the products I have not bought from one website, but I have bought from different websites. This is from Myntra, from Flipkart, from Lifestyle. So I'm gonna show you all the product, and these are not particularly one type of product, like not kurtis, not dresses. These are different type of products, even sari. So without wasting much time, let me just start with the video and let me just show you all the products. So starting with this video, today I have kurta palazzo set, only kurtas, I have jeans, I have saris, I have a dress kind of kurta, so I have many things. So in this video, I will show you all the products, and obviously the purchase link, I will be providing the purchase link on the description box. So if you are interested in buying all these products, then you can surely buy these products from the link in the description box. So starting with the first kurta, I have this one. This is a dusky pink colored kurta. This is with some stripes on it. This do have some stripes, you can see. And the prints, this do have floral prints on it, and a v-neck. This have 3/4 sleeves with some pom-poms in the down part. You can see some pom-poms in the down part. The stripes, the color, the neck, everything gives it a nice look. Even the fabric is so comfortable, like so comfortable to wear. This is a cotton based fabric, and the fabric is really comfortable, really comfortable. Like it will feel like you are not wearing anything or that sort of thing. And this is a kurta that you can wear in a daily basis, in a working place, in going somewhere, for shopping, for hanging out. You can wear this like anytime, anywhere. And with this kurta you can wear leggings and also cigarette pants, even palazzos. But I will recommend cigarette pants or leggings with this. Palazzos also you can try once. I haven't yet tried that out. So this is the kurta, this is how it looks. The length is good, the fabric is good, the overall size is good, and buy your original size. No need to buy one size larger or one size smaller than your original size. And this is from Onuk by Myntra, and the price here is written 1799. However, I bought this for rupees 800. And this is the print. I really like the print of this. The color, like the color is so pretty, so decent. Even I really like this sort of color, smoky, dusky pink sort of color. So this was my first kurta. Hope you like this, and this is one of my favorite. Next I have a sari, which is this one. This is a pink sari, a Banarasi silk sari, which I have bought from Myntra. I am not showing you the try on of this sari because I really don't know how to wear sari, and near me I don't have my mother, so I am not showing you how to like the try on part. But definitely you can check my Instagram and Facebook. Whenever I wear this sari, I will surely upload the pictures of the sari. So this is how the sari looks. You can see this is a plain solid colored sari. This is how it looks. It do not have anything extra. This do have a shine, and you can see the fabric of this sari. This is a zari work, okay. This do not have any like pasting or that sort of thing. The full thing is stitched one, and this do even have blouse piece with it, with a pink blouse piece. You can surely check the website for the try on look. I am providing you the link in the bottom part. I have bought this from Myntra. The price of this sari was rupees around 1800. However, I got this sari for rupees 750 or 800, that sort of thing. So this is how the sari looks. This is a soft sari. This is a lightweight. This do not have much weight. This is a lightweight soft sari for a nice occasion. You can wear this sari in any occasion or even casual look it will give. So yeah, that's all about this sari. And the pink color, OMG, the pink is so gorgeous. This do gives different lights, like sometimes this do give a red light sort of thing. This do give some purplish light. You can see this do have a shine, nice shine on it. So overall, this I really like this sari out. And if you're looking for a budget friendly nice sari that you can wear, like comfortable sari, then you can surely go for this. This will look good on any age. Talking about the next dress is this kurta palazzo set which I am wearing right now. This is a grayish green sort of colored kurta. The material of this is polyester. This is a kurta printed one which have 3/4 sleeves with a pink palazzo with it, and this do gives a shine. The palazzo as well as the kurta both gives a shine, which is nice shine they give. And the prints, this do have some flower leaves sort of prints, and this do have front slit as well as side slits. This do have buttons on it, and overall you can see in the try on only, this do looks great. And this is from Onuk. The price of this was around, I don't remember the price, but I got this for rupees 1000. So coming to the next product is this one. This is basically a kurta, but this will even look gorgeous as a dress. You can see the length in the try on part as well as here. So this is really a gorgeous one as a dress as well as a kurta. This is a sleeveless one. This do not have sleeves with it. This is a navy blue colored with some floral prints on it. This do even have a thread to tie in a knot in the front with some coral colored tassel, and in the down part this do have floral prints, and in the waist it have an elasticated band. The fabric is nice. This is quite soft, comfortable for summers. This is really a good one. I have bought this from Lifestyle. This is the brand over here is, this is Melange Color Me, and the price is 1299. However, I got this for rupees 800. You can wear it like a dress or a kurta, whatever you want. This will look awesome. In the try on part I am showing this one as a dress, but this will even look gorgeous as a kurta. Basically this is on the website it was written a kurta only, but I even like this wearing as a dress. Coming to the next product, I have this one. This is a black jeans, and this is like a super skinny jeans, but here you can see it is written super skinny, but however it is not a super skinny jeans, it is a normal skinny jeans. The length is a regular length. This do have a silver button. This is a mid-waist jeans. However, this is not a high mid-waist jeans. This is a low mid-waist jeans. So if you are expecting this to be a high mid-waist, then you are wrong. This is a low mid-waist jeans, and you can see in the try on only how it looks. This do have some white stripes on this jeans. This is not a jet black jeans. You can see this is not a jet black jeans with a regular length, and the fittings is good. This do have stretch. These are stretchable jeans, and this is from the brand Levi's in the style code 710, and the price of this is 1999. However, I got this for rupees 1000, and I bought this from Flipkart. At the last I have this kurta. This is a navy blue kurta with white and different shades of blue on it. This do not have black on it. This have different shades of blue and navy blue, like a navy blue basic kurta with a border at the side of it. This do not have any border or any prints. In the down part the same lengthy print is going on, and this do have side sleeves like kurtas, and this do have 3/4 sleeves with a border at the end of the sleeve. This do have a mandarin collar kind of thing with a slit near the neck. You can pair this off with your cigarette pants, palazzos or leggings. So this is, I have bought this one from Myntra. This is from the brand W. You can see this is from the brand W, and the price here is written 1499. However, I bought this for rupees 700. And the fabric is really soft of this. This is rayon, which is really soft. I really like the fabric, which is comfortable even for summers. You can wear this without any doubt. So overall this is a nice buy. So here I end up with this video. Hope you like this video and hope you like the dresses which I have shown you. So yeah, I am ending over here only, and all the purchase links are provided in the description box. Do not forget to check that out, and if you like this video, do not forget to hit that like button, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Subscription is for free, so you can surely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, even other kinds of videos. And yeah, that's all about this video. So bye bye, tata, until the next video.